Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to remove unwanted objects, people, or text from photos in just a few seconds. For example, I have a photo here with unwanted text and objects that I want to remove. First, open your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome. Next, search for Cleanup Pictures or open the link provided in the description below. Once the website opens, upload your photo by dragging it into the upload area. After the photo finishes loading, select Continue with SD. Now, adjust the brush size based on the object you want to remove. Carefully paint over the unwanted object, person, or text. When you release the brush, the website will automatically remove it. As you can see, the unwanted object is completely gone. When you're happy with the result, click Download. The edited photo will be saved to your Downloads folder. Open the image to check the final result. And that's it. You've successfully removed unwanted objects from your photo in seconds. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.